So, hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Eduplat-MS. So today we will talk about the questions that is asked in CSIR PhD interview. So I took first of all I was selected in 2023 July session. So I filled up the form through ACSIR. Uh, I didn't had a net JRF, so I and but I had Inspire Fellowship. Sorry, Inspire Fellowship. So I applied to this fellowship, and I in that time we have to select first the three CSIRs. So I selected CSIR NCL, NPL, and IICT. I am from chemistry background. Okay, so I selected these three according to my own choice. NCL is very good for chemistry. NPL, in NPL, my family was living in Delhi, so I chose that. And IICT is also very good. And after, or after all of these things, my choice was the choice interest. The topic was in all of these three CSIR labs. So I first uh, go through their website, then search that my research interest is matching to them or not, and then I filled up the form. Then after that, you got get selected for interview, and you will be interviewed for all of them separately. So, first of all, I will tell you about CSIR NCL. So, NCL one was So in this interview, uh, first they will ask about your introduction. Then in introduction you will tell your name. Then after that your post graduation, graduation, everything, and if you have done any project work in your MSc or after MSc. So you can also tell them that if you have any kind of scholarships or any kind of achievement, then in introduction also you can tell them about that also. What happened with me is that in MSc I have done one project work, 6 months project. So they uh, only asked questions from that. Suppose I worked for organic dye-based solar cells. Dye-based solar cells. So they asked me about its working, how my dye will support that, how the whole mechanism will work. They their question was only concentrated to this topic, and also the reaction that I had done, and also the concepts that I learned in that 6 months, how I will characterize my compounds, means basically whatever I did in my project. And if you have done the project with very carefully, then you can answer these type of question very easily. And I was also selected in NCL, NPL, and IICT, all the three CSIRs. So in case of NPL, in NPL it was offline interview. In NCL, the interview was online, and in IICT also the interview was online. So in NPL, when we went there, I took my MSc thesis also with me. So in that also they asked me about all the mechanisms of sensitized solar cells, what are the components that are used, and what are their working principle, and also what is the use of each of the component of the disensitized solar cell, what my compound will do, how I will synthesize, everything related to my project only. And the same they asked in IICT also. And so I concluded that in all the CSIRs, they basically take the research oriented interview. So if you have done any type of project work, then you can explain them. If you can explain them clearly, then you will be selected. And they don't ask that theoretical questions like name reactions or something, anything like that. They ask experimental and practical questions. So, if you can, means if you are from chemistry background, then you can see some NMR, just like normal simple characterization that we do for HRMS, that we do for, first of all, what we do, we synthesize compound. Then to characterize it, we take NMR. Then after that, HRMS. So whatever you did in your MSc, you should know every bit of that. Then only you can clearly answer those questions, and then your chance of selection will be high. So in this video, uh, conclude this video with this only, that they, in CSIRs, they only ask your project oriented questions, and not and practical questions, that the which type of characterization you did, and with what you can do further to characterize your compounds, that only they ask. So in this video, this is it. If you have any other query, you can just comment down, I will answer those. So thank you for watching, and if you like the video, then like it and subscribe my channel. I will further post video, my ex PhD experience video from IIT Guwahati, IIT Guwahati, IIT Delhi, and ISER Bhopal. In these places, I have given the interview for my PhD. So I will post my PhD experience from these institutes also. So subscribe my video if you want to know more about these institutes. Thank you.